All right, guys. Going to show you a couple of things here on how to log in, how to register. And this is on the demo side of the site, but you'll be able to see everything. And this will show you what you need to know. So I'm going to go ahead and use TronLink Pro app. You can also use the Clever app or the Tron Wallet app, but I'm going to use the TronLink Pro. The reason is right now we're performing this on the test net, and TronLink Pro is able to connect to the test net. So let me go ahead and open up the app here. And you'll see I've got a couple different wallets set up here. So some test wallets. So we'll stay in this Shasta test wallet. And what I'm going to do is whether you're using TronLink or Tron Wallet or the Clever app, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the browser inside of the app. So for TronLink, that's called Discover. And I'm going to click the Discover link. And so first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and register. So to do that, you see up here where there's just like any traditional browser, you can see that you can type in the URL. And this is where you're going to put your referral link. So when somebody gives you their referral link, you're going to come in here to this browser and you're going to put in the referral link. So I just have a test. We have a test website up with a test referral link that I'm going to put in here. And you can see here that it takes me to this registration page. Now these videos, of course, will be uploaded, loaded with the official video, and come in here. And right now we just have a test set up, this test page. So it's only showing a $1 purchase here, not a $100 purchase, again, because this is for test purposes, but you'll get to see the actual example. So you'll see here that it's automatically populated with my referral link for this test. Don't try to use my referral link because this is not the actual referral link. It won't work, just so you know. I'm going to come in here and I'm going to choose my my username, and I'll just do test 1 2 3. You want to do lowercase on these. I believe it's case sensitive. I could be wrong about that, but just to be safe, test 1 2 3. And all I'm going to do now, because I have my Tron wallet already opened in the app, so it's going to automatically read that information, is I'm going to just click sign up. And when I click sign up, it's going to autofill the wallet address. And you may wonder, you say, what is it doing? Why is it waiting? Well, the reason it's waiting is right now it's actually paying everyone. Right now, the smart contract is processing all the calculations, and it's deciding who's supposed to get paid, and it's activating the smart contract. It's transferring the money to Endotech. All of that is happening right now in real time. So it's pretty incredible. And you can see now that it's entered me into my brand new back office, and we're in. So once you're in your back office, and you can fool around with all these reports and different stuff in here, but you're going to click on, for example, if I go to tier 1, you'll see that I have my matrix unlocked, right? Because I'm just bought my tier 1. If I go to tier 2, you'll see here that I now have the opportunity to upgrade. Now, if I go to tier 3, it's going to say, hey, I'm too early. I need to first purchase tier 2, right? So let's come back here to tier 2, and I'll go ahead and confirm my payment here. It's literally this simple. This is how easy it is to upgrade. So you just come over here to confirm payment. Do you confirm the contribution? Yes. All right, and the transaction came through as complete. All right, so now I'm going to show you guys how to log in. So now I'm in the wallet that we just enrolled, and I'm going to go back to Discover. This time I'm just going to go to the main web page. It's going to recognize my wallet here. You'll see that. So you come in here. This is the main page, the login page, and you'll see it just says automatic login. Log in with the same wallet you used to sign up with. So You got to make sure you have the same wallet open before you click the browser. And I'm going to click automatic login. And you can see that I'm logged in to my back office. And it's that simple. And then you can come over here again to the different tiers. And you can upgrade through those tiers. My next tier would be tier 3 and so on. So it's that simple. So to enroll, you just put in the referral link and you have your wallet open and you sign up. To log in, you just go to the home page, click the login button with your wallet open, and you're automatically taken to your back office. So anyway, just want to give you guys that quick demo so everybody's ready to get this thing rocking and rolling, and we'll talk soon.